Hello students, now I am going to start question number 5 of exercise 7.4. Now question number 5 says, how quickly can you do this? Okay, fill appropriate sign. Less than sign, equal to sign and greater than sign is given. We will have to put the appropriate sign in the box given. Now in the first part we have 1 by 2 and 1 by 5. We will have to compare this by putting the sign here. As numerator is same here, so smaller number present in the denominator will be the greater fraction. So here 1 by 2 is greater than 1 by 5. Since 2 is smaller than 5, so 1 by 2 is greater than 1 by 5. Okay, now coming to next. Here in the next part we have 2 by 4 and 3 by 6. We will have to put the appropriate sign here. So here we can see that neither denominator is same nor denominator. So in this case, either we will make the denominator same or we will convert it into reduced form. So if we convert this in the reduced form, 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. So we will get 1 by 2. And if you reduce 3 by 6, then we will get 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. So we will get 1 by 2. So both are equal. Okay, so we will write equal sign. So if numerator and denominator is not same, so either we will make the denominator same by reducing to simplest form, or we will make the denominator same. So here if you divide the numerator and denominator by 2, then we will get 1 by 2. And if you if you divide the numerator and denominator by 3, then you will get 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. So both are equal. Okay, so coming to next part. In next part we have 3 by 5 and 2 by 3. So we will have to make the denominator same. As this is already in reduced form, so we will just make the denominator same. We cannot convert it into reduced form. So we will have to find the LCM of 5 and 3. And the LCM of 5 and 3 is 15. 5 3s are 15, so we will have to make the denominator 15. So what should be multiplied by 5 to get 15? It's 3. And the same number to be multiplied to the numerator, because in case of fraction, if you multiply if you multiply any number to the denominator, the same number to be multiplied to the numerator as well. So here we are getting 9 and 15. Okay, and here if you multiply, if you want to get 15, you will have to multiply by 5. So the same number will be multiplied to the numerator. So here we are getting 10 by 15. Now 9 by 15 or 10 by 15, which one is greater? 9 is smaller than 10, so 9 by 15 is smaller than 10 by 15. Okay, now coming to next. Here we have 8. In the next fraction we have 8 in the denominator, and here we have 3 by 4. Now we will make the denominator same. So here we have already 8, and 8 comes in 4's table. So if you multiply by 2, then we will get 8, and here we will multiply by 2. And since here we have already 8 present, so we will just multiply by 1. Okay, to the numerator and denominator. So here we are getting 6 by 8, and here we are getting 2 by 8. So 6 is greater than 2. When the denominator is same, we just compare the numerator, right? So since 6 is greater than 2, so 6 by 8 is greater than 2 by 8. Okay, now coming to next. Here we have the denominator same. So easily we can say that 3 is smaller than 6, right? So 3 by 5 is smaller than 6 by 5. Now in the A part we have 7 by 9 and 3 by 9, in which we have the same denominator, so we can easily say that 7 is greater than 3, and if 7 is greater than 3, then 7 by 9 is greater than 3 by 9. Okay, in the next one. Now in G part we have 1 by 4 and 2 by 8. So here 1 by 4 is already in reduced form, right? And if you divide this, if you just cancel this into reduced form, if you just convert it into reduced form, then we'll get 2 ones are 2, 2 fours are 8. So we can see that both the fraction is same. So we can write equal. Okay, we can write equal to sign. Now coming to H part. Now in H part we have 6 by 10 and 4 by 5. Now 4 by 5, this is already in reduced form. So we can cancel this and we can convert it into reduced form. So 2 3s are 6, 2 5s are 10. Now denominator is same, so we can easily compare. Now in the I part we have 3 by 4 and 7 by 8. Now 3 by 4 and 7 by 8 both are in reduced form, or we can say that simplest form. So here we will have to make the denominator same. So here we will have to find the LCM of 4 and 8. So 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. Then 2 1s are 2. So if you multiply this, 2 into 2 into 2 is 8. So we will have to make the denominator 8. So what should be multiplied by 4 to get 8? It's 2. So the same number to be multiplied to the numerator. So it's 6 by 8. Now see, here also 8, here also 8. So we can easily compare, as 7 is greater than 6. So we can say that 7 by 8 is greater than 6 by 8. Okay. Now coming to next part. The next part we have 6 by 10 and 3 by 5. Okay. So here 3 by 5 is already in reduced form, but we can convert 6 by 10 into simplest form. So numerator and denominator both comes in 2's table, so we can divide by 2. So 2 3s are 6, 2 5s are 10. So we have got 3 by 5 and here we have 3 by 5. So both are equal, so we will put equal to sign. Okay. Now coming to next part. Now in the next part we have 5 by 7 and 15 by 21. Okay, so here 5 by 7 is already in reduced form. But if you like here 15 and 21 both comes in 3's table, so we can just convert it into simplest form. So 3 5s are 15, 3 7s are 21. So both are equal now. So we can put equal to sign. Okay. So this way we will compare the fraction. Okay. If the numerator is same, then the smaller number, smaller denominator will be the greater fraction. If denominator is same, then the smaller number will be actually the smaller fraction. But if there is different numerator and denominator, then we will just try to cancel, we will just try to convert it into simplest form. Okay. Or another way of doing this, we will just make the denominator same. After making the denominator same, we can easily compare the numerator, that which one is greater or which one is smaller, right? Now coming to next question. Now question number 6 says the following fraction represents just 3 different numbers. Okay, separate them into 3 groups of equivalent fraction by changing each one to its simplest form. So here we have some fraction given. We will have to change this into simplest form, and we will find that after changing into simplest form, we will have 3 different numbers. Okay, then we will have to separate them into 3 groups of equivalent fraction. So let us first convert it into simplest form. Now here in the first part we have 2 by 12, and 2 and 12 both comes in 2's table. So 2 1s are 2, 2 6s are 12. So we have 1 by 6. Now coming to next, we have 3 by 15. So both comes in 3's table. So 3 1s are 3, 3 5s are 15. So here like 1 and 6 we cannot reduce further. So it is only the simplest form. Here also 1 by 5 is the simplest form because it cannot be further reduced. Okay, now coming to next, we have 8 by 50. So 8 and 50 both comes in 2's table. So 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10. So 2 25s are 50. So when you will divide numerator and denominator by 2, we will get 4 by 25. Okay, now coming to next, the next part we have 16 by 100. When you will divide by 2, 2 8s are 16 and 2 50s are 100. Again it can be further reduced. So we will just divide by 2, 2 4s are 8, 2 25s are 50. Okay, so it's 4 by 25. 4 by 25 cannot be reduced further, right? Now coming to next, we have 10 by 60. So if you cancel the zeros, we have 1 by 6. Then in the F part we have 15 by 75, both comes in 5's table as last digit is 5, so 5 3s are 15, 5 1s are 5, 5 5s are 25, so 5 15s are 75. Okay, so here we have divided the numerator and denominator by 5. Now 3 and 15 both comes in 3's table, so we can divide the numerator and denominator by 3. So 3 1s are 3, 3 5s are 15. Okay, so 1 by 5 is the reduced form. So after this we have 12 by 60. Now here 12 and 60 both comes in 2's table, right? So we'll divide by 2. 2 6 are 12, 2 3s are 6 and 0. Then again it will be divisible by 2. 2 3s are 6, 2 15s are 30. Okay, again it will be divisible by 3. 3 1s are 3 and 3 5s are 15. So it is 1 by 5. Now next we have 16 by 96, as both are in both the numbers we have even number at one's place, so it will be divisible by 2. So 2 8s are 16, 2 4s are 8, 2 8s are 16. Okay, now again it will be divisible by 2. 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8. Then 4 1s are 4, 4 and 24 both comes in 4's table, so we can divide by 4. So 4 1s are 4, 4 6 are 24. So it's 1 by 6. Okay, now in the I part we have 12 by 75. Now here 12 comes in 3's table, and if you find the sum of the digit, then 7 plus 5 is 12. 12 comes in 3's table, so it will be divisible by 3. So we will divide the numerator and denominator by 3. So 3 4s are 12, 3 2s are 6, 3 5s are 15. So 4 by 25 is already in reduced form. We cannot cut further. So it is 4 by 25. Okay. Now in the J part we have 12 by 72. So again 12 comes in 3's table, and if you find the sum of the digit you will get 9, which comes in 3's tables. That means both numerator and denominator will be divided by 3. So 3 4s are 12 and 3 2s are 6, 3 4s are 12. Okay. Now 4 and 24 both comes in 4's table, so 4 1s are 4, 4 6 are 24. So 1 by 6 is the simplest form of 12 by 72. Now in the K part we have 3 by 18. Both 3 and 18 both comes in 3's table, so 3 1s are 3, 3 6 are 18. So it's 1 by 6. Now in the last part we have 4 by 25, as 4 by 25 cannot be cancelled, cannot be divided further. So this is only the simplest form. Okay. Now we will see here we have converted all the fraction into simplest form. Now what we have to do, we will find 3 different numbers here. See what are the 3 different numbers. See, in all the numbers when you change into simplest form, either you have got 1 by 6, 1 by 5, or you have got 4 by 25, right? Only 3 numbers you have got. Now you will have to separate them into 3 groups of equivalent fractions. So we have got 1 by 6, 1 by 5 and 4 by 25. Okay, these 3 different groups we have, these 3 different numbers we have got. Now we will have to separate them into 3 groups of equivalent fraction. Now where we have got 1 by 6, it's number A, okay, then E, A, E and H, A, E, H, J and K. So in these 5 numbers we have got, in this 5 fractions we have got 1 by 6, and 1 by 6 is equal to 1 by 6. So these all are equivalent. Equivalent means equal. These all are 1 by 6, right? That's why we have made a group of 1 by 6. Then where we have 1 by 5, where we have got 1 by 5, let us check. It's B, F, G, B, F and G. So in these 3 numbers we have got 1 by 5. So that's why this is a group of 1 by 5. And where we have got 4 by 25, let's check. So it's C, D, I, C, D, I and L. Okay. So this is a group of 4 by 25. These all are equal. These all are equivalent. Here we have got 4 by 25. Here we have got 1 by 5. And here we have got 1 by 6. So this way we will have to do number 6. Okay, we will have to just convert this into simplest form, and then we will have to make a group of equivalent fraction. Okay, now coming to next question. Now question number 7 says find answer to the following. Write and indicate how you solve them. In the first part we have is 5 by 9 equal to 4 by 5. So we will have to check whether these two fractions are equal or not. Now here if numerator is same or denominator is same, then we can easily say that which one is greater or which one is smaller, or if it is equal or not, right? But here we cannot compare until and unless denominator is not same, right? So at first we will have to make the denominator same. So here we have two fraction 5 by 9 and 4 by 5. So we will have to make the denominator same. So for this you need to find the LCM of 9 and 5. So it's 3 3s are 9, 5 cannot be divided by 3. Then 3 1s are 3, then 5, again 5 1s are 5. So 5 3s are 15, 15 3s are 45. So that means in the denominator we will have to make 45. Now what should be multiplied by 9? Here we have got 45. Okay. So what should be multiplied by 9 to get 45? It's 5. So the same number to be multiplied to the numerator as well. So we have got 5 5s are 25, 5 9s are 45. So we have got 25 by 45. And in the next fraction we have 4 by 5. Now what should be multiplied by the denominator to get 45? So it's 9. So the same number to be multiplied by the numerator as well. So here 4 9s are 36 and 5 9s are 45. Now see, denominator is same. We can easily compare that which one, whether it is equal or not. So here we have got 25 and here we have got 36. So obviously it is not equal. So since 25 by 45 is not equal to 36 by 45, this is the symbol of not equal to. Okay. So we can say that 25 by 45 is 5 by 9 is not equal to 4 by 9. Okay. So we'll write no. 5 by 9 is not equal to 4 by 5. Okay, now coming to next part. The B part we have 9 by 16 equal to 5 by 9. So here also denominator and numerator is not same. So we will have to make the denominator same. Then only we can find that whether it is equal or not. Okay, so we will have to find the LCM of 16 and 9. So 2 8s are 16, 9 cannot be divided by 2, so it's 9, 2 4s are 8, again it will be 9, 2 2s are 4 and 9, 2 1s are 2, then 3 3s are 9 and 3 1s are 3. Now if you multiply this all, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 3s are 48, 48 into 3. 48 into 3 is 3 8s are 24, 4 2 carry, 3 4s are 12, 12 plus 2 is 144. So here 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 3s are 48 and 48 multiplied by 3 is 144. So we need to multiply, we need to make 144 in the denominator. What should be multiplied to 16 to get 144? See, that we can get from here only, like 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16. So 16 should be multiplied by 9 to get 144. So here we will multiply by 9. Now as you have multiplied 9 to the denominator, we will have to multiply 9 to the numerator as well. So it's 9 into 9, 81 and 16 into 9 is 144. Okay, now coming to next fraction. Now what should be multiplied by 9 to get 144? See here, 3 3s are 9. So this 9 should be multiplied by 16 to get 144. So here to the denominator we will have to multiply by 16. So the same number to be multiplied by the numerator also. So 16 5s are 80 and 16 9s are 144. Now we can see that 81 is greater than 80. It's not equal. So we can say that 81 by 144 is not equal to 80 by 144. So we'll write, is 9 by 16 equal to 5 by 9? No. 9 by 16 is not equal to 5 by 9. Okay. Now coming to C part. Now in the C part we have, is 4 by 5 equal to 16 by 20? So here again we will make the denominator same, or we can convert the fraction into simplest form. So here 4 by 5 is already in simplest form, right? And if you just convert 16 by 20 into simplest form, then we will get, see, 16 and 20 both comes in 4's table. So we can divide the numerator and denominator by 4. So it's 4 4s are 16, 4 5s are 20. So we have got 4 by 5. And here also we have got 4 by 5. So it's equal. So we'll write 4 by 5. Therefore 4 by 5 is equals to 16 by 20. Okay. Now coming to the last part. Now in the D part we have, is 1 by 15 equal to 4 by 30? So here we can see that 1 by 15 is already in simplest form. We cannot divide this, we cannot cut this further, okay. But 4 by 30 can be reduced, converted into simplest form, because 4 and 30 both comes in 2's table. 2 2s are 4, 2 15s are 30. Okay, so we have got 2 by 15. And here we have got 1 by 15. So 1 and 2 is not equal. So we can say that 1 by 15 is not equal to 2 by 15. Okay. So question is 1 by 15 equal to 4 by 30? No. 1 by 15 is not equal to 4 by 30. Okay. We have got that 1 by 15 and 4 by 30 is not equal. Okay. So this was all about question number 7. Thank you, students.